I was delighted to hear that the class of 1968 is creating a Presidential Initiatives Fund. I have a special connection with the class of 1968 because upon my arrival at Augustana, the class adopted me as an honorary member. The President's Initiative Fund has been an important piece of Augustana throughout its history. In most recent years, I've used the President Initiative Fund to seed many projects at Augustana. Our Senior Inquiry Program, which is the required research program for all students, sprung out of my Initiatives Fund where we did some pilot projects. Likewise, my Initiative Fund started the lacrosse team, funding the startup losses as well as new majors such as engineering physics. Moving forward, we anticipate that the President's Initiative Funds will seed internship programs, perhaps new majors, perhaps new clubs and organizations, as we seek to advance Augustana College. I'd ask you to join me in supporting the President's Initiative Fund at Augustana College. Thank you to the class of 1968.